Good evening, everyone. I'm Enrika Dapishisha Karhunai, and I will be your host this evening. I welcome you all to the grand finale of the dance competition, an initiative of the Don Bosco Media Network Shillong. This event was created to showcase and nurture the incredible talents that exist within Meghalaya. Don Bosco Media Network is committed to promoting positivity and offering a platform for citizens to express their creativity. This competition aims to inspire the youth to move beyond negativity, ego, and laziness, and encouraging them to embrace a life filled with purpose and passion. Tonight, we celebrate the energy, spirit, and the talent of our dancers. But before we start the competition, I would like to call on stage Father Michael Makri, the Director of Don Bosco Youth Center and Managing Director of Don Bosco Media Network. Father Makri believes in the power of the youth and their ability to create a better future for Meghalaya. He is the visionary behind many initiatives, including unbiased media reporting and several competitions such as Kasur Kunut. Through these initiatives, he strives to inspire the youth to rise above societal challenges and recognize that there is more to life than engaging in social evils. Let us listen to him as he welcomes all of us for this competition.
Thank you, Enrika, for the beautiful words of introduction. So, dear friends, kublay pi baro nga nangam nang pareng kena kasima. Di ngayang hangni hakakerteng jong ka Don Bosco Media, badru hakakerteng jong ka Don Bosco Youth Center. Kamtam hakane ka janmit ban pidang sobha yangi baro siya kane ka competition, ka dance competition. Kabangila penlong mentah si benai tam, ar lai teliki round, te mentakas ngi ngila poi siya bakut jong kene ke program. Klempep hakane ke sngi ngap yang sobha yai Father Anthony Harkongor, ibadai chief guest jongi. Ngakerpad yai Father Riton Bor, ban penkup ka jain yai Father Anthony chief guest jongi. Father pilak penuan syakmat kenang bagi pajba kin UEP. Namar pakai ke portlang por kreat tingin berkup ida ka jain. Father Riton Bor idei Assistant Director Jong Don Bosco Youth Center. Tinggi pidang sobhai Father Anthony dah ka panggil penkup dah kena ka jain. Welcome. Ngi pidang sobhar yai Father Sil I beran hang ne. I Father Sil kumba pilatip mensuaru idei kum I trying Jong Don Bosco Youth Center ba Don Bosco Media. Namar isya yarap ingi borobor nakapor syakapor. Te ngepidang sobhai fi Father Sil kiwe padar ki sister kiwe ki ngaptip ki bawan petkaya kene competition ngepidang sobhai fi baro ngapidang sobharu ya kamtam ya arngut ki briu ki ba special bah ha kene ka competition ki balongru kum ki resort na ka benta jungi ki ba peniat ya kene ka competition but kita kidai I kong Anisha, but I kong Dapale. Ki banlong ki judges, ki mentor na kabenta kene ka dancing competition jungi. Tungin ay kajing tapti na kabenta kene ki arngut ki balong ki resort jong kene ka competition jungi. Tengayang hang neru ban diang sobha ay may pa jong kene ki kena jong kene ki kinong shot mo ki ban ya le competition mendakas ngi. Kin don sa ndru tli ki team ki ban ya kun banyo ya ka first prize ka kantai po hajar tangka, second prize 10,000 tangka, but ka third prize ka ba khatsan hajar tangka. Na kan driu team, driu ngut kinong shot, driu team tang lai ngut kinyo ya ka buskit. Kiway pin sa job hakaway pat ka season next year, Klempep. Ngap yang subhay may pa but ki participants baro. Ngap yang subhay kiniki staff jong Don Bosco Media mo Xavier ni mama idon hangtay utay bog Van Lee, Piba, Mona, Sir May Ibor, Wapit Yaga Sound, Jaden Batka team, Kipapit Yaganega Light, dengan yang subhar EP Baro Shaganega competition. Ngam kwa ban kren jrong namar ngi kwa baka program kan kut kloi namar ba kadega por krian. Di kumbala ai hakamai pang I Enrica I host jungi ila ai jing kren sepang kajing tmu jong kanega competition. Kata kadega banga kwa ban sa isin. Ngi pelong ye kanega competition na ka banta ban ai men sim kamtam eki kana semla jungi. Mo babun sin kidon kasap Henry Kimdon ka platform. Tinggi ko aban ai kata ka platform ho ide jinsang ibarit klempep ngidang bun bahagi jinduna klempep dang bun bahagi jinit gijanat ki bang ihap ban yale biang ihap ban puson biang ban pen bahas shu haki season ki banwan hadin nalor kata ka Don Bosco Media ringkat bar Don Bosco Youth Center kange hakaway ka pang kata kadai ban ai mensim ban ai men sim om tang igi participants dari ban ai men sim yak imlang kasalang nakikam barit baria ka ba mangingile takadaw kini ki jinshat ki competition ba pair ka bangingi penyai kalong ban ai men sim ban create kata ka positivity haka society tetang kini kintin sa jisin ngap yang sobai pi baro syaganega program to ai ba kanega program kanlong inspiring na kabantajungi da bangi page ikini ginong shot ya kasap ka pong bamaki kidon kumbau blay lo kerkui ki blay lo kerkui ngi ro kisap ki pong mamangiru kumaki kum kini ginong shot ngin pendon kam hok ya kita kisap ki pong jungi na kabenta ka borong mu blay so sin most welcome to all of you kublay shibon.
Thank you, Father. We are warmed up this evening with your welcome speech. Tonight we reach the final round of the step battle competition, which has been an exciting journey with 4 rounds in total. So 3 rounds have already taken place over the past months, and today we have the best of the best competing for the 3 spots. 6 talented dancers, both solo and in groups, will battle it out for the first, second, and third prizes to take away home with 90,000, 45,000, and 15,000 rupees. Are you all excited? Okay, so let's kick off the final round with our first competitor, a group called Ace Miracles. Let's give them a warm welcome.
We check. The participants, please be ready. We cannot waste time like this. The participants, Ace Merakis, please go up on stage. Ace Merakis, please go up on stage. After that, Sana, please get ready. LSC Duo, please get ready. Megha Warrior, Prangsngi, MDA will be the last.
My name is Kiwanda and my style is freestyle.
My name is Rika Shisha and my style is contemporary.
My name is Happy and my style is locking.
My name is Suzanne and my style is hip-hop.
And I'm Freddy and my style is Afro. And that's how we form Ace Maracas.
All style united in one. Ace Maracas.
love you so. Hey, that's what you say. You'll tell me, baby, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. So every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run, run, run away, baby. Before I put my spell on you, you better get away, darling. 'Cause everything you heard is true. Your poor little heart will end up alone. 'Cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby.
शाम तेरा आलम शब गुजरी ते जग सोया नी मैं जगे आना मैदानम मेरे माहिया सनम जानम किवे करे आना मैदानम शब गुजरी ते जग सोया नी मैं जगे आना मैदानम मेरे माहिया सनम जानम किवे करे आना मैदानम शब गुजरी ते जग सोया नी मैं जगे आना मैदानम नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली मेरे यार दी नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली मेरे यार दी नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली
When my eyes are on you, 숨막힐 듯한 전율로, you know you get me loose, make me go bitter, bitter. I dance for made for two, 다리 부르는 선율로, it's only me and you, make me go bitter, bitter. You bring the demon out of me, blame it all on your body, we might be an outlet. We ain't got no time to waste. 꿈을 꾸는 기분이야. 잡은 손을 놓지 마. 내 일은 안 중요해. 이 순간을 몰입해. Oh, I got plenty. I won't say them all, but if you there ain't many. Said it when it rains, so I'm slow and I'm steady. We can't move this slow on our belly. Oh, you say you need a true love, someone to kiss and hug. That you're feeling for some touch, eh? I could be all there and above. I just hope that I'm enough, 'cause I don't ever do this. When my eyes on you, 숨막힐 듯한 전율로, you know you get me loose, make me go bitter, bitter. I dance on made for two, 다리 부르는 선율로, it's only me and you, make me go bitter.
Ready?
For what?
I'm about to teach you how to dance today.
Teach me how to dance.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I could really show you some.
Yeah. Let me catch your vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind. It's easy. Don't have to decide. You do, I do. I don't have to be mine. It's easy. Let me so far, babe. We've been through the 305 highway. Loving how you ride in the fast lane. Made me wanna say that's my babe. Yeah. And it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. But your drip got me feeling way, way. Make you feel lucky, lucky. Make you wanna love me, baby, when you with me, baby. Got no worries, worries. I love it when you touch me, feeling so lovely, lovely. Make me wanna love me, make me feel lucky, lucky. Let me catch your fire, let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy. Don't have to decide. You do, I do. I don't have my face so you know what it is. Pedal to the metal, on gas, no way. Girl, I would never get in your way. I'ma shut up and let you drive. Put that thing to the floor, one for the ride.
Make you wanna love me, baby, when you with me, baby, you got no worries. I love it when you touch me, feeling so lovely, make me wanna love me, let me feel lucky. Let me catch your vibe, let's just take our time,
Thank you, Sana, for the energetic performance. It's bittersweet that the competition is coming to an end with tonight's final, but don't worry, there's more to look forward to. Let me tell you about the Kasurkan Oud singing competition coming soon with a grand prize of 1 lakh. The winner will also represent Meghalaya on the international stage. Shavinia, the winner of the first season, was awarded at the UK Vocal Star competition. And Ellery Karkungor, the winner of season 2, has auditioned for The Voice USA. And who knows, maybe one of you will be the winner of the 3rd season. You can enroll for the competition now by visiting our website, www.realkasurkanood.com, or by picking up a form at the venue. Go ahead, hit that button, and register. Now let's welcome our next performers, LSC Duo, with their captivating dance.
तेरे नैना हंस दिए तेरे दिल में तेरे नैना
मेरे दिल में जो अरमान है पास आके जरा देखो ना दिल की तार में है सरगम छेड़े है अब कोई अनजाना
ये प्यार की है बातें कुछ कहीं बुला वैसे ही मिलते हैं मिलके मचलते हैं दो दिल जवां
सिलसिला ये चाहत का न मैंने बुझने दिया मैंने बुझने दिया और यहाँ जल रहे थे हम और यहाँ जल 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 जल
Thank you, LSD Duo, for that stunning performance.
Three, 2, 1, 0.
सामने हम काबू में कैसे रहे तेरी ऐसी अदा पे तो फिदा हम है
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
जगमगाती लड़कियां ये झिलमिलाती लड़कियां जिनके दीवाने तुम भी तो हो हंसती गाती लड़कियां खिलखिलाती लड़कियां चाहती सब क्या है ये सुनो इन सब के मन इनकी धड़कन सुनो जरा सपने क्या है इन आँखों में दिल में है क्या अरमान Girls like to swing. Let's go, girl. जरा आगे निकल के नए रंगों में ढल के अंदाज बदल के मस्ती में है जीना जीवन रस पीना ये बात हुई ना शर्माना Girls like to swing. जरा आगे निकल के नए रंगों में ढल के अंदाज बदल के जाने हिचकिचाना नहीं है मस्ती में है जीना जीवन रस पीना ये बात हुई ना यानी अब शर्माना नहीं है
Thank you, Mega Warriors, for that incredible performance. Next up is Prangski. Let's give him a big round of applause as he takes the stage. Pali Stacey Warjuri was honored by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma for her impact on society through her dance academy. And this year, the platform is open to you. If you know someone who has made a difference and can be an inspiration to others, you can nominate them for the Youth Icon Award. The award includes 50,000, a memento, and a souvenir. The award ceremony will take place on January 35 of 2025. So don't miss it. For more details, visit the DBMN TV office. Now let's welcome MDA for their performance.
हे, फिर देख रहा है। आज आंख सेक रहा है, कल हाथ सेकेगा। आज ढील छोड़ रहा है, कल खुद ही रोकेगा। आज मेरे लिए चेयर खींच रहा है, कल मेरी स्कर्ट खींचेगा। खींचेगा कि नहीं? अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बई बो 80-90 पूरे 100 रुपए का दम जो लूं 200 हम हो उड़न छू। ऊंचे से ऊंचा बंदा पोटी पे बैठे नंगा फिर काहे की सोसाइटी साली काहे का पाखंडा भेजे से कलेजे के कलेजे से मिट जाए हम मरोगे तो जियोगे हमारा दम। ओ राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम। इनका तो फंडा है सिंपल सा यार गोली मारो तो पंगा आंख मारो तो प्यार। राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम। रख पॉकेट में घोड़ा दे घोड़े को लगाम। राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम चाहे लीला दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम।
Thank you, MDA, for the incredible display of talent. As the judges are calculating the scores, may I now invite Father Ridwan Bor, the Assistant Director of Don Bosco Youth Center, to propose the vote of thanks, after which Father Makri will announce the winners.
We sincerely thank you for your constant guidance and for being with us in this momentous event. A special thank you to the parents of the dancers for your unwavering support, sacrifices, and for nurturing the talent we witnessed today. To our brilliant dancers, we appreciate the hard work, dedication, and passion you put into your performances. Your energy truly brought the event to life. A heartfelt gratitude to the judges, Ms. Anisha and Dapale, for sharing your expertise and precious time with us. Your judgment is much appreciated by all of us. A big thank you to the Don Bosco Media Network under the guidance of Father Makri for your excellent coverage and ensuring that this event reached a wider audience. A word of gratitude goes to Sir May Ibor. We appreciate your technical expertise in managing the sound system, making sure every performance was heard in perfect clarity. To Jaden and his team, thank you for your exceptional work with the lighting. The atmosphere created by your team added so much to the experience. A special mention of gratitude to all the Salesians, staff, and boys of DBYC community for your continuous efforts, hard work, and commitment in making this event happen smoothly. We would also like to express our sincere thanks to our sponsors, Sarah and Catherine, for their generous contributions and support. To all those who are part of the competition, the organizers, participants, and volunteers, your contribution has made this event truly memorable. Last but certainly not the least, we express our deepest gratitude to Father Michael Makri, the director of this DBYC. Father, you are the true architect behind this magnificent venture, and we are extremely grateful for your vision, dedication, and leadership that made all of this possible. Once again, thank you to each and everyone who has contributed to this wonderful occasion. We look forward to more such successful collaborations in the future. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Father.
As the judges are, as the judges are calculating the tally the points, I have got few announcements before we announce the result. So we are so lucky to have Father Anthony as a chief guest and to give more opportunity, not only in singing, not only in dancing. You know what is next coming up? Father Anthony said, we shall have carol singing competition. It's open to all. And the prize is The winner will be 50,000 and the runners-up 25,000. So please get ready for the carol singing competition. It will be held here at the same place on the 23rd of December evening. 23rd, okay. The chief guest himself, the organizer himself is here. He will tell us more.
It's a Christmas carol choir competition, groups. So different churches, different groups, they can participate. And also, Christmas carol, Christmas carol dancing competition also group. It's not solo. So the price is also remains the same. Okay, for the dancing it's 50 plus 25. So dancers, those who are here in the group dance, you can prepare, okay, Christmas dancing competition and also Christmas carol singing competition on the same day, 23rd. So first come, first serve. So limited seats. We will take only 10 groups each. Thank you.
Give me 1 minute. It's almost done. Since all of you are doing very, very well, we are struggling to get your points here. So those who will be winning, definitely, you will take away the 90,000. Second prize, you will take away the 45,000. And the third prize, 15,000. After the award giving ceremony, all the dancers together with your parents, please go in the lobby. Dinner is served for you. The fathers and our judges will go to the Salesian refectory for dinner. Mano banjob? Mano banyo kendai pau hajar? Mano? Mano banyo sau pusan hajar? Mano banyo kendai pau hajar? Mano banyo sau pusan hajar? Mdon bakwa eye of Father Shining. Okay, very good. Adam don bakwa eye ang arum lilay. Mo? Okay. Okay, for the last part. For the last part. The last part of it. Okay, for the last part. Da? Mano ba kendek mensim? Don't am give a special number as the judges are calculating the marks because it is really a tough competition. Mana buku apa special number? Mana buku apa shot? Hello, anybody want? Mana buku apa shot? Special number 1. Ang niya, come on, wood. Who? Mana? Special number 1. Special number. Mana buku apa special number? Yes. Mano, special number. Mano bako apa na special number? Word. Mano, one ni, come on, one. One. Yes, special number. Yes, who? Kumno? Okay, special number. Let us welcome him or her. Who is that? Special number, please come here. Who is going to give the special number? Okay, Chloe, lại đây por. Okay, very good. Come on, give. What's the music? The music. Come on. Ai cái music không thấy? Lau tu ujak. Sao đây mấy boss? Lau tu ujak. Okay, what's your? So we have touched Michael. Second runners-up Jonga.
All India Dance Championship.
Okay, we have the second runners-up of All India Dance Championship. Michael Karwanlang ban wan shakmat ban peni ya ka steps ka bitnat. Hello. Very good, Michael. You are exactly like me, since we are both are Michael. Okay, very good. Tingin la po siya kabenta kabakut, mat kabenta kabalong. Very important, because I am going to announce who will take away the 90,000 rupees together with the memento, the check, the certificates, and who will take away the 45,000 memento, the check, certificate, and the 15,000 rupees, the check, and the certificate. Of course, all of you will receive the certificate of participation. Dear participants, dear contestants, you have all done very well. All of you are winners, actually. Can you give yourself a big round of applause? Because you have really done very well. So much so that our judges are finding difficult to award the first prize, the second prize, and the third prize. Which means there's so much of talents, there's so much of energy in all of you. So therefore, I applaud you. I congratulate all of you for this exceptional skill you have shown this evening and also in the past 1 month. So therefore, to distribute the certificate, may I invite Father Primus. Father Primus was our assistant director. He was in Rome. But for today, for the competition, he came all the way from Rome to give the certificates to all of you. May I invite all the participants, all of you, from first group, AC Merake, Sana, LSC Duo, Mega Warriors, Prangsngi, MDA, please come on stage and receive your certificate. All of you, please come on stage. All the participants, please come up on stage. Come on, let us not delay. All the participants, please come on stage. Come. Yes. Sana, you are the leader. Come. Yes. Sana, Prangsngi, very good. MDA girls. Next, come on. Mega Warriors. Okay, stand in line. Okay, very good. Come on, guys, give them a big round of applause. These are the finalists for this evening's competition. Father, please give them one certificate each. Give to all of them, one each. Okay, go. Yes, we have not even written your name. Please write the name by yourself. Take one each, Yes. May I invite on stage Father Anthony, the chief guest, Father Seal, and also Father Shining to come on stage. Father Anthony, our chief guest, Father Seal, our supporter, Father Shining was also here with us in Don Bosco Youth Center for so many years. Okay, the moment of truth has arrived. As I said, all of you have done excellently proud. You have made your parents proud. You have made your dance academy proud. You have made Don Bosco Youth Center, Don Bosco Media Network also proud because of your energetic performance this evening and also on the last 1 month. I really cannot but praise all of you. Shall we once again give you a big round of applause? Yes. I know it is a competition, and in a competition we have winners, we have people who are not winning. But those who are not winning doesn't mean that you are a loser. This stage is always yours. Don Bosco Youth Center is always your place. This time you may not win, but next time you will win because you have the spirit of fighting. You have the spirit of commitment. You have the spirit of dedication. So therefore, definitely you will win in the next round. If not this season, next season you will win. So therefore, as I said, in a competition, we have winners, we have people who cannot win. So for this evening's competition, we have in the third place, who? In the third place, we have Mega Warriors! May I invite the Mega Warriors to come in the front? Mega Warriors to come in the front. Okay. Father Sil will give them the trophy, a small trophy, being the first season. The small trophy, next season the trophy will be bigger. Come on, the captain or somebody, take the trophy. Take the trophy. And Father Shining will give the envelope. Will give the envelope. Please take the envelope. And Father Anthony, our chief guest, will give the check of 15,000 rupees. Come on, picture time, picture, picture, picture. Yes. Mega Warriors, you may step back. Now, we have the second prize, a prize worth 45,000 rupees. And the winner in a second position is Ace Merakis. Come on, come, Tron. Father Sil will give the... Yes, Father Shining will give the envelope. And our chief guest, Father Anthony, will give the check of 45,000 rupees. Picture time. Fathers, you can come and put a picture. Okay. Ace Merakis, you may step back. And the winner for the first season of Step Battle is MDA. Please come forward. MDA. MDA, please come forward. Please come forward. Again, Father Sil will give the trophy. Father Shining will give the envelope. And Father Anthony will give the check of 90,000 rupees. Please come for a picture, fathers. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Change to the next slide. Yes. So, congratulations, dear participants, dear contestants. This is only the beginning. Next year, you will be more surprised with much more bigger awards, bigger cash, because we are getting lots of sponsors. This is the first time. This is the first season. And definitely next season, we will have all of you again. No, I request all of you again to come and take part. Next year, you don't need to pay anymore the registration fee. You are spared from the registration fee for next year. So all of you can take part again. Even those who win the first prize, again you can take part. It's open again to all. Those who are winning the second prize, next year I want to see you first prize. The third will become first. Those who do not get, will get on the top. Okay? So that is all we have for today. Once again, I request all of you dancers, the parents, please go to the lobby. Dinner is served for all of you. Fathers and our two beautiful judges, please go up to the refectory for dinner. So once again, to all of you, dear friends, thank you very much. Good night. See you on the 23rd of December for Christmas Carol competition. Thank you. God bless you all. Woo!